Assalamualaikum. We are going to draw some colorful balloons today. It is super easy, so let's get started. We use black marker for outline. We are going to draw 5 oval shapes. Think of them like eggs standing up. Try to make them a little different in size. Some a bit rounder, some a bit longer. Don't worry if they are not perfect circles. Balloons come in all shapes. Very good. For string, we draw wavy line like this. Great job. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. The last one. Very good. Time to color. It is a fun part. Use yellow color for the first one. Use pink color for the second one. Very good. Try to stay inside the lines. Then we use palette color. Color in one direction. Like this. Very good. Don't cross the lines. Then we use blue color. Try to stay within the lines. Like these. Very good. In the last, we use orange color. A very bright color. Very good. And there you have it. 5 colorful balloons are ready. Allah Hafiz.